Hello, this is Jason back on the beautiful Kuta Beach in Bali, and come out here right at sunset every day and take a walk on the beach, clear my head, get some exercise in, and talk to you about different topics. So today I would like to talk about the way that AI is going to change the workforce of the world over the next 10 years. So I'm going to spin you around and let you see the view. And also I'm going to take you to where I went to eat earlier. It's a place called 90 Degrees and had a delicious meal, so I'll show you that too. Alright, so we got a lot to talk about, so let's get started. So, a robot's going to take over the world. Will I be replaced by a highly efficient toaster that could also do my taxes? The short answer is probably not a toaster, but things are going to change, and fast. AI is not some far-off sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's in our pockets, in our homes, and increasingly in our workplaces. And it's not just about flashy robots, it's about algorithms, data analysis, and automation that can perform tasks faster and more accurately and without needing coffee breaks. So what's the big deal for the next 10 years? Well, according to a report by the World Economic Forum, AI is projected to create 97 million new jobs globally by 2025. So that sounds great, but here's the kicker. It's expected to displace about 85 million jobs. So that's a net gain, but it means a lot of reshuffling of the workforce. So it's like musical chairs, but the chairs are made out of code, and some of them have lasers. So who's gonna feel the biggest seismic shifts? Let's break it down. Here's the fields that are most impacted. Manufacturing and production. This one's almost a given. Factories are already heavily automated, and AI will only accelerate this. Think smart robots assembling intricate components, quality control systems using computer vision, and predictive maintenance that prevents breakdowns before they even happen. Less manual labor, more oversight, and specialized technical roles. Then we have transportation and logistics. You think self-driving trucks, drone deliveries, the robo-taxis like Tesla's working on that could replace Uber and taxi drivers. And AI is going to revolutionize how goods get from point A to point B. Truck drivers, delivery personnel, and even some dispatchers will see significant changes. But guess what? We'll need AI supervisors, drone maintenance crews, and ethical AI programmers to make sure these things don't go Skynet on us. So let's take a break and grab a bite to eat here at 90 Degrees Bar and Restaurant. It's on Poppies 2, which is the street that I'm staying on, and it's a nice little place. I just walked here, it's not too far from where I'm staying, and I ordered the chicken mango cashew dish, which also came with rice, little beans and peppers in it. It's very tasty. And the presentation looks great too. And I enjoyed it. It was a little bit spicy, sweet, and just hit the spot. And I love that like all of the restaurants are like open to the air. It's not super hot in Bali all year round, so you can sit outside. There's always like a nice little cool breeze coming through that you can enjoy nature and sit and have a nice meal. So if you're in the area, I would recommend checking out 90 Degrees. They got a nice little restaurant, and I would recommend this chicken cashew mango dish. So come check it out. Alright, now let's get back to it. Next would be customer service. This is a field that I used to work in that definitely impacted me. I worked for Dell, and they were making a big push to move as many things as possible to AI, to have AI take care of all the low-hanging fruit. And it's already solving some of the more frequently seen calls, like hard drive replacement. You can have an automated system answer the phone and dispatch a hard drive, and a person's not involved, where 5 years ago there was a person dedicated to doing those kind of repetitive tasks. And so like AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, they're getting smarter, and they can handle routine inquiries, processing orders, and even personalized support. So this means many entry-level customer service roles could be automated. But fear not, the need for complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and genuine human connection in customer service won't disappear. You trying to explain your internet woes to a robot that only understands reboot modem could make things very frustrating. And then we have accounting and finance. So goodbye to endless spreadsheets. AI can now crunch numbers, identify financial trends, detect fraud, and automate auditing processes with incredible speed and accuracy. So this doesn't mean accountants are obsolete. Instead, their roles will shift towards higher level analysis, strategic consulting, and interpreting AI-generated insight. And then we have healthcare, especially with the diagnostics and administrative tasks. AI is becoming a powerhouse in healthcare. Think AI diagnosing diseases from medical images with greater accuracy than humans, or personalizing treatment plans. On the administrative side, AI can handle scheduling, billing, and record keeping, and this will free up doctors and nurses to focus on what they do best: direct patient care and making sure we don't accidentally swallow a tiny robot. Then we have retail, from personalized shopping recommendations to automated inventory management and cashierless stores. AI is reshaping the retail landscape. Think smart shelves that track stock, and AI helping you find that perfect pair of socks you don't even know you need it. Sales associates might spend less time on routine tasks and more time on high-value customer engagement. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs will transform or diminish, many new exciting roles will emerge. We're talking about AI trainers, robot maintenance technicians, prompt engineers. That's actually a real job now. Just figuring out what to type to the chatbots to get them to produce results that you want. And people who design the human AI interfaces. So the future workforce will require creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. Basically all the things robots are still bad at. So what can you do about it? Adapt. You gotta learn new skills, embrace lifelong learning, and focus on uniquely human strengths like problem solving, creativity, communication, and empathy. These are the skills that make you indispensable in an AI-powered world. And maybe learn how to fix a robot just in case. So the next 10 years are going to be a wild ride. AI isn't here to replace humans entirely. It's here to augment us and to change the nature of work, and hopefully to free us up to do more interesting and impactful things. It could also free us up to retire early and do things that we enjoy, spending time doing our hobbies instead of working for the man. So what do you think? Are you excited about an AI-powered future? Are you stocking up on canned goods and stocking ammo? Let me know in the comments below. So thanks for coming along on this walk with me at sunset, enjoying the beautiful beach here in Kuta, Bali, and talking about how AI is going to impact the workforce over the next 10 years. And we could already see it impacting the workforce as we speak. So if you are interested in this kind of video, if you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like. It helps a lot to get it spread to other people and a wider audience. Share it with your friends. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe for future videos. AI is definitely a topic I'm interested in, and we'll be discussing it more in the future. So that's all I got for this video. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Take it easy.